Alright, y'all, so about to do a quick breakdown of this trade. I know I took one break-even trade, a paper trade, which don't even count. So I took a break-even trade and then I got this dub right here. So I'm gonna go ahead and break down this S&P trade real quick.
I be trying to make it up out the hood, but do what my heart live. I be telling my heart like we need to move. Your nigga got killed here. My heart.
Alright, so this trade was on S&P. Let's see what happened. Oh no. Okay, so I took a break-even trade. I took a loss on NASDAQ, which ended up going the direction I wanted it to, and then we got a big dub on S&P. So right now I'm about to break down this S&P trade that we took. So starting off, let's go down to the 15-minute. Let's see. So we have, let me show you the market structure shift that one of my buddies called out in the Discord. If y'all not in the Discord, join up on that. All right, so here we have a low, because it broke this low right here. We have a lower low, a lower high, a lower low, then a higher high. So here goes the market shift, the structure shift right here. After it broke this high, we created a liquidity grab, wicking out this low. That's why I have the dollar sign, because it is a liquidity grab. We have 2 wicks, 3 wicks coming right here below this low without actually closing below. So we consider that a liquidity grab, and then we have a leg up. Okay, on top of this structure shift, we've seen the liquidity grab. Okay, so we have a structure shift, we have a liquidity grab, and we also have a W formation. What is a W formation? It's just really boom. If you look at the overall move, it's like this, boom. All right, so not only do we have that, so that's market structure shift, liquidity grab, and a W. We have one more confluence well, we have actually 2 more confluences. We have another confluence. We have divergence. What is divergence? Divergence is where you bring up the RSI. If you have, here we have a lower low, and then here we have a higher low. So with it not lining up, then that's considered divergence. I think I have a video. Yeah, I do have a video of that on my YouTube. Just type in divergence on my channel. So we have divergence. That's 4 confluences. If we go down to the 5-minute here, we have a break of these highs right here. Right? Let me take this off. Here, well, all right, so we have a break of these highs right here. If you look at these, right, we have a break of right here, and we also have a retracement back into this fair value gap right here. Okay, so what I did was I went down to the 1 minute, which is my entry time frame most of the time. So here at the 1 minute, we have, let me move this over. So here at the 1 minute, we also have a fair value gap that it tapped back into. Okay, so once it did that, I got right here at the I got in right here at the closure of this candle. And not only that, this trade also did another 1 minute fair value gap fill, right? But I got in on the first one. Okay, so this trade right here was absolutely amazing, bro. Right? So I closed majority at a even 1 to 2 risk to reward, which was like right here, but my runner went for like a 1 to almost 2.3. Right, so once it closed, once we got closure above these highs, I was confident into this trade, right? So this trade was absolutely beautiful, bro, especially for it to happen on a Monday with no news is actually insane, right? So the loss that I took on NASDAQ was actually the same thing. My entry was not all the way 100. Okay, so we had the same thing. We have liquidity grab. I'm not sure if it's divergence. Is it divergence? Yes, there's also divergence, right? And the market structure shift. Where is the market structure shift? So we have boom, higher high, low, low. So we're here. We have a higher high, low, high, low, high, liquidity grab, and then a displacement. Going to all-time highs, right? So where did I catch the loss at? So I seen if you go down to the 5 minute, it also created a gap, and it broke structure. It broke this high right here. So after it broke the high, it retraced into this gap, leaving a displacement, right? So what I did with this trade, I waited for a 1 minute fair value gap fill or a 1 minute fair value gap retracement, and I got it right here, okay? So when I got in a little early, aggressive, right? With stops below the low, going for a 1 to 2, right? And it took me out, okay? If I would have got in on the 5 minute fair value gap fill, that would have been a better entry. You would have got in at the bottom of the move, but it just didn't happen like that because I was waiting for a 1 minute fair value gap fill, right? We didn't get that on NASDAQ, but we got it on S&P, okay? So I took like a 150 loss on NASDAQ and got like a, let's see, $323 win on S&P, right? So it's still, P&L is still good for the day, which is amazing, all right? So that's the breakdown for today's Monday's trade. I'm going to post the session on, I'll just go ahead and post the whole session on YouTube. So that's it for today. I'll holler at y'all later, and I'm out.
I be trying to make it up out the hood, but do what my heart live. I be telling my heart like we need to move. Your nigga got killed here. My heart